me better. Oh.
No?
No, Mama.
What would make you better?
Mama. Stop. Stop.
What would make you better?
Stop pointing at me.
Would cookies make you better?
Stop pointing at me.
I just want to know what's going to make you feel better. Just tell me. Tell me and then I'll stop pointing at you. Would cookies make you feel better?
Maybe bunny cookies.
Maybe bunny cookies? That'll make your arm stop hurting?
I guess.
You guess?
Oh, I never had bunny cookies.
No?
No.
And you think bunny cookies will make you feel better? Can I get a smile? Let me see your elbow. It's gonna be all better with bunny cookies though, right? You're sure?
I guess so. I'm gonna eat them off the stove.
You're such a goof boy.